everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY fridge magnets. So here are a few that I have done. I got a little 8-ball, a little egg, and then this one's a little olive. And all that you need for this is oven baked clay. I got all this at Walmart, and I also got this big pack. And then you're going to need some sort of magnet. I got this at Walmart too. It's double-sided, so it's sticky right here, but I did find that the sticky stuff doesn't stick very well, so then that's why I have super glue. And then you're also going to need like Mod Podge to put on top once it's done baking to make it clear. Otherwise, you can just use like a nail polish top coat. That would work too. If you're going to use the gel top coat, then you're going to need some sort of UV light. So what I normally do first is I have all my clay in front of me, and then I decide what I am going to make. And when I do that, I normally just go on Pinterest and I find some ideas. And then for this video, I think I'm going to make two. I am going to make a chocolate chip cookie, and then probably I could do like a playing card, or maybe I'll just do a little heart. So first I'm going to get my colors. So this is my inspo right here, this little chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to take the color that I'm going to start with. I'm going to use this little tan color. And I tend to kind of just warm it up in my hands to begin with. And then I have some tools that came with one of my bigger kits. So I'm just going to roll it into a little ball to get my circle shape. And then I'm going to press it flat down onto my surface. I did find that the bigger you make the objects, the easier it is to kind of work with it, because then you can add like, it's easier to hold the little details in your hands. Alrighty, so here, this is my little circle for my chocolate chip cookie. Now, I'm just gonna use my little tool here to just cut off a little sliver of the clay that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna use this darker brown to make my little chocolate chips. And you can make these whatever shape you want. And then just place them wherever you would like. You got a lot of creativity with this. You can pretty much do whatever you want. You can write names, you can do letters, and then it's a cute way to just spice up your fridge magnets a little bit. And the good thing about this oven baked clay is that you can leave it out for days and it will not dry up, so that's a plus. So I'm still just adding some chocolate chips onto my cookie. Alrighty, so here is what I'm gonna end with, my little chocolate chip cookie, and then I'm just gonna set that aside. And then the next one I'll make is just a little heart. So I'm just gonna grab my red, and I'm gonna make it into my little warm it up in my hands a little bit. Make it into my ball so that I can flatten it out onto my surface. And now I'm going to take my little tools and cut out my heart. So here's the shape that I have now, and I'm just going to take my fingers and kind of shape it how I want it. So this is what I'm going to end with, this cute little heart. And now we are going to go to the oven. To have our magnets done, we are going to preheat the oven to 275. And then we'll just let that preheat. Our oven's preheated. We're gonna put our magnets in for 12 minutes. So we're done baking. So we're going to take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Now that they're done baking, I am going to take nail polish, top coat, cure them under my light, and then we're ready to add the magnets. Now I'm going to cure them under the light for like 30 seconds. And while that's curing, I'm going to take my little magnet strips and I cut the size of magnet that I want. So there's one. And here's going to be my other one. I'm just going to peel the sticky back off. So it's ready. Okay, so now it kind of just has like a shiny little gloss on it. So I'm going to take some super glue to glue on my magnet. I'm gonna hold it for a few seconds. Here's the heart. And then there you go. You got your own little fridge magnets. Now that all of our magnets are done, we can put them onto the fridge. Thank you everybody for watching my DIY clay fridge magnets. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you feel creative enough to do this yourself.